How to copy one or more objects to another layer in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by COPYTOLAYER command. You needs to select source and destination objects. It create a copies of selected objects on another layer object that you specify. It takes the layer properties during copy of objects. The source is the object for which you wants to make a copy. The destination is the another layer objects or from which you want to copies the properties. See how it works. First we create some objects in drawing. These are source objects. Now we create destination objects on right side. Now we create some layers. Now add different colors on all the layers. Now change the line type for layer 3 and layer 4. Add ISO-type. Add ISO-double dot on layer 4. Now assign the layers on source and destination objects. You can see colors and line types are assigned to source and destination objects. Now run COPYTOLAYER command. Select rectangle as a source object. Press enter. Select triangle as a destination object. Specify base point and paste at any point in drawing. You can see that the rectangle is copied with triangle properties. Run again COPYTOLAYER command. Select circle as a source object. Press enter. Select arc as a destination object. Specify base point and paste object at any point in drawing. You can see that the circle is copied with arc properties. Run again COPYTOLAYER command. Now select rectangle and circle both as a source object. Select triangle as a destination object. Specify base point and paste the objects at any point in drawing. You can see that the rectangle and circle both are copied with triangle properties. So by the help of this command you can copy one or more objects to another layer properties. Thanks for watching.